I know exactly who needs to hear this, and it's everyone. I've been lying in bed for the last 2 hours. I don't want to say doom scrolling because it's been really lovely, but this is the time of year when you can get got, and you got to watch your back, okay? These ads, they come in hard, they come in fast, they're very convincing. So far, in the last 2 hours, I have purchased this car vacuum that has apparently NASA level suction, this balance board, because my balance sucks, and this electric bird feeder, which takes glamour shots of the creatures in your backyard while they're snacking. Because they make it so easy. It's just click, 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 click. Then it's yours. I didn't need any of this when I woke up this morning, but now it's on its way to my house. Just be careful out there, okay?